What's going on, YouTube? We're back out here. Bringing up another video for you. I'm out here at Cedar Grove. We are doing a tractor pull for my friend Aiden pulling team. This is my friend Ricky. It's his grandson. Right now he's on the phone trying to get some gasoline. We forgot gas. But this is their John Deere lawnmower 212. It's got a custom exhaust built by Ricky's dad, who put a straight pipe. It's pretty loud. Hopefully it gets some good pulls out here, but we'll see. Got this guy over here in the Predator International right here. He has a motorcycle engine in it. Dual overhead cams. It's nice. It's loud. I mean, you know, it's loud. Not as loud as this on the because of the straight pipe, but you know, when he gets into it, it sounds like a motorcycle. But yeah, we hope to bring you some good content out here. I told you I was going to bring out some good content and just see where it goes from here.
Just regular old car gas, or yeah, just
Oh, I keep the track going. I'm moving. Aiden's over here playing with his toys and his monster trucks inside the dirt. This thing's nice. Got a pretty cool paint job, Predator paint job on it. He must love the movie. International.
I left your hands on, but I didn't even bring a drop. Thank you so much.
What kind of motor you got on this? I know it's a motorcycle engine, right?
1100 Suzuki.
1100 Suzuki?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Thank you. I just had all the detail done on it this week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I heard that. It looks good. I like the paint job on it.
Yeah. Well, really, this ain't painted.
Oh, is it just stick on wrap?
I just had it done this week.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
It was painted all red. It Predator wrote right there and Predator on the back. Then I had a little sign right here with the face by like that.
Yeah.
But I didn't like it, so I done it this way. I want to do it this way.
Okay. How much horsepower are you getting out of it?
I really don't know. I was with a motorcycle engine puts out. It's stock.
Stock. I got you.
Yeah, it's stock engine come right off a bike.
Okay.
But they do pretty good. I guess some can beat them and some can't.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. This guy over here, he looks like he's got two of them.
Yeah, I don't pull in that class. I think I pull in that class right there with it.
Okay.
I think.
That's an awful big trailer for
Yeah, he probably got some toys up in there.
He
too.
probably
Yeah.
he probably does.
There's a lot more, you know, there's a lot of them out here who put more money in them.
Yeah, I know. Then they know what to do with.
I could, if this engine ever blows up, I'm gonna put an engine like we got on here right there.
Oh yeah?
And set it sideways.
Set it sideways?
Yeah, so I can pull off my dry shaft and see, I got a car rig in there.
Oh, okay.
There's a car rig in it with a car transmission, a good transmission with a motorcycle.
That's something. I bet. I mean, I was sitting there looking at it, and the motor ain't even no bigger than the one in my Mazda Miata.
Yeah. You know, all been that. That. I feel it.
That was nice of them. Gave us gas.
Very appreciative. I don't know when I stopped, got ice and all that, got out here and I was looking, I was like, dang, I've got to put gas in the tank. They all. That's why I like to see it like that. That's all he been. I got no tractor show. I said, you should get two tractor shows. I got two more side of this. I'm trying to sell one of them. Oh yeah? Yeah. The one I'm trying to sell, hell, I want to tempt you to that. Look, I've got the muscle motor. It's got the old man. One horsepower right there. It'd be something like that. I got to put the DU back. What's that for? That's chrome wheels. Oh, brand new chrome wheels. But you know, get on track. That's what scares me. The last 3 times we've been up here full, we broke something. Yeah. I mean, he ain't got the wheel spin like everybody else got, but I mean, we broke keyway pins, we broke stuff, and I'm like, really, what is it about this track? Yeah, the tractor that I'm trying to sell got the same tires. Oh, really?
Sitting here on his tractor.
There you go.
You ready, boy? You're gonna pull all the weight, ain't you? Yeah, you don't look very enthusiastic. Smile, boy! Got to get you a smile on there. You about to pull some weight. About to do the tractor pull.
Aiden, show him your muscle.
Show him muscle. Yeah! Told you this thing was loud. Aiden got first place on his tractor pull. You want to show him your trophy?
Show it to him, Aiden.
Want to show him your trophy?
All right.
Say, I won.
Hold it up and show it to Matt.
I won.
Say, I'm the points leader.
I'm point fender.
You proud?
I'm proud. I'm happy.
You proud?
Mama always happy.
And thank you, Matt, for coming out here with us.
Hey,
You're the
Aiden,
big
come
help.
here.
Hey, I
Come
tried
here.
to be.
You can't do no burnout.
Do it harder. Do it harder.
Hi guys, we're back at the house. I just wanted to say that I had a wonderful time hanging out with Ricky and all of them, and Regina and Aiden. Congratulations to Aiden. He got first place. He's also, not only did he get first place, but he's also the points lead for his class. So that is awesome, and I know that they're proud of him. And May 5th, that they have the South Boston tractor pull. So hopefully I can get down there and get some good content over there. I wanted to see the motorcycle division, the ones with the motorcycle motors on the chassis. Didn't get a chance to. We had to leave before they could do that, but it's all good. Hopefully on May 5th we'll be able to do that in South Boston, Virginia. So if y'all can make it out there, that would be great. I know that everybody loves the support because what they do is great. It's awesome. And also, I've also loaded up uploaded the video of my Miata, the 5 things that I love about my Miata. So if you can, please go check that out. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it onto your Facebook. That would help out. I want to bring out some more content. Just subscribe, guys, and I hope y'all have a wonderful night.